In this video, I will guide you on how to copy your Discord profile link. First, launch open the Discord app on your device. Make sure to log into your account. Now, you want to tap on the profile icon. From here, tap on the gear icon to open up your settings. Once you get here, scroll down until you find the option of Advanced. Once you have found it, go ahead and select that. Now, locate the option of Developer Mode. Go ahead and turn this option on. After that, you want to head back. Open a server, group chat, or direct message where you can access your profile. Then tap on your own profile. Here, tap on the three dots. Now you should be able to find a couple of options here. Go ahead and select the one that says Copy User ID. Your unique Discord user ID will now be copied. Now open a Notes app. Here, before pasting your user ID, type discordapp.com/users/ then paste in your copied user ID. Then you can simply copy this link, and this right here is your Discord profile link. You can share this profile link with whoever you want. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.